2019 Hyundai Santa Fe comes with new seating configurations, unique technology, and even an optional diesel engine. The 5-passenger, two-row SUV, which goes on sale later this summer, will be called the Santa Fe, replacing the Santa Fe Sport. The current 3-row, long-wheelbase SUV with room for 7 will remain on sale and will be called the Santa Fe XL. Engine options will include either a 185 HP, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder or a 232 HP, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. In early 2019, consumers will also be able to opt for a 2.2-liter, 4-cylinder diesel engine that's good for 200 horsepower. Overall, the new Santa Fe is 2.8 inches longer and has up to 7.32 ft more interior space than the outgoing Santa Fe Sport. Some of the most interesting new features aren't visible. For instance, Safe Exit Assist will temporarily keep doors from being opened when a motorcycle, bicycle, or vehicle approaches from behind, even when the doors are unlocked. Santa Fe buyers have a choice of a 7 or 8-inch infotainment screen. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard, and a built-in key wireless smartphone charging pad is optional.